In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit cell content in Smartsheet. We'll walk through a simple example together so you can confidently change information in your sheets without worrying about breaking anything. Even though I'll be using a project sheet for this demo, the exact same process works for any sheet you have in Smartsheet. First, open your web browser and go to Smartsheet, then open the specific project sheet you want to work in. You should see the familiar grid view with rows and columns, similar to a spreadsheet. Make sure you're looking at the correct sheet and that you have permission to make edits. If the sheet is read-only, you won't be able to change any cell content. Next, focus on the cell you want to update. In the walkthrough you're seeing on screen, this is the highlighted cell in the grid. Move your mouse over that cell and click once to select it. You'll notice that when it's selected, it gets a clear border around it, showing that this is the active cell. Now click directly on the text inside that selected cell. This switches the cell into edit mode. You'll see a text cursor appear, and the existing content becomes editable. At this point, you can either press backspace or delete to remove the old content, or place your cursor exactly where you want to make changes. Go ahead and type in the new content you want. This might be a new task name, a corrected description, or an updated value. Take a moment to double-check spelling, dates, or numbers while you're here, since this information may be used in reports or dashboards later. Once you're happy with what you've typed, you need to confirm the change. The most common way is to press Enter on your keyboard. That saves the new value and moves you down to the next row. If you'd rather stay in the same row and move sideways, you can press the Tab key instead. Either way, the cell content is now updated. If you realize you made a mistake right after editing, you can use the standard undo shortcut on your computer to revert that last change. This is especially helpful when you're updating several cells in a row. Finally, keep in mind that Smartsheet saves your changes automatically in the background, so there's no separate save button you need to click. After you've finished editing your cells, you can simply navigate away from the sheet, knowing your updates have been applied.